Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix thumbnail preview not showing in Windows. So let's start. So let's go to our folder here. As you can see, well, my picture are showing, but in case that your picture doesn't show it, let's go to the taskbar here and write folder. And then when you write folder, let's open this option that it appears here, and then let's go to view, and let's see that you have to select that part that says show everything, show your files and folders and template. You have to select this one. If you select this one, well, it's possible that doesn't appear, and then just click on apply and you will apply everything to your Windows. That is how it works, guys. As you can see, it's very easy to fix it. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.